All right, I just rebooted, and Carli 9 is in the making. Did we push it already to the repo? Carli repo, I think that's there. So just to be sure, and it's not a long repo, it's super fast. Yeah, let me sign in. Signed in and pushed. Back to the 9, and we need to clean a little bit out. So you see there the work thing. So clean up. That needs to go, and then we are going to start again. Sudo build sh. Off it goes. There we go. We have a new one, Calamares 3.2. This is a normal look. The other one wouldn't have worked either, I think. I don't know. No, don't think so. There were 2 lines, remember? So this is okay, and it's worth waiting for. So what's happening is going to make everything in the work. This is your little system. This is your future system. And it was interesting to see what's in opt, what will be installed in opt. So the optional, I call it the optional file directory. Vivaldi is in there. Who is in there? Let's have a look who is in opt. These guys are all in there at the moment. So applications where the developer, the maintainer of the package, says we're gonna put it there. There might be nothing here at all, possible. Depends what you install. I don't think, voila, 735. So everything is already installed, so nothing in opt. But in home we can find something maybe in the future. Not yet, etc. We're gonna find things, lots of things. Let me check out some permissions that we were checking out the whole day on our system, ArcoLinux. This is always a long bit. That's done. If you say it goes faster. Here are keys. And the ArcoLinux keys, the ArcoLinux keys, well, the Carli key. Guess that's that one, Carli key. Probably. Appending the keys from Carli GPG. So if you want to make sure that people get the right package, that is controlled, that it's checked, that that particular package is coming from me in this case, right? Or in the case of ArcoLinux from Marco or from Steven, right? And others. Then it will be checked. Pacman will check this package, that key. Okay, go. Green light. And otherwise it won't be installed. It's kind of security system in place. Already 3 minutes, so yeah, we had to reboot. Well, okay, maybe. Nothing I can do in the meantime. Clean up, build scripts, chit for no, port Carli's. We've done all these guys. These guys were updated. So that's that. All right, no, nothing I can tell you guys. What always is interesting is compare this one with this one. What's the jump? Sometimes there were internally jumps, and so jump 1, jump 2, jump 3 in 8. But at least you have this also. coming from here to here. What happened? This guy is gone. There is a file that's gone. Anything else? And you can have a look at things changing. Import Carli is here. So what changed in Cinnamon? This changed. Again, you see the Carli 8 was built in a certain time with an archiso of the version of its time. And the archiso, which we are recording now, is totally changed. So it's normal if you say it used to work and it's not working anymore. Everything changes all the time. ArchISO changes, ArcoLinux changes, everything changes. Even the sun, over millions of years, will go out. Oh, why am I talking here? This can slow down your system a little bit. This is a phase where he needs his resources, and it takes a while for him to kick in, but it will kick in. So that's the Carli 9. The problem was last time in the previous video. Hey, Calamares, what's up with Calamares? Well, Python changed 3.9 and a boost update, which means your reflex as a builder, I should rebuild Calamares. And while you're at it, maybe check out the GitHub of Calamares and see if there's a new release, and then of course use the new release. So about, oof, that's a strange number. Should do something about that, but it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. I made a typo or something, but it's okay. We can fix that. And then Belgian. Next. This is a new thing. Swap to file. Final test that again. And you see the size here is a little bit too small for my taste. And password is very difficult. Be happy now. Voila. Do you know Min already? A browser. And off it goes. It goes changing your future system. We should do this as well, but it's always every video I say we should do this, we should do that. That's design, right? Do not care a lot about design, and well, for Carli in a way. I mean, it's what it is. What I was going to say is this thing. Did you know that it's here? What it's doing is this. This is your future system. TMP, Calamares root. This is your future system. And it's unpacking everything you see. What you see is what you get. What you see, this will be a future system. With the applications you forgot or intentionally did not install, this is it. So that's the unsquashing. See it as a zip file or something, extracting, and contains complete operating system. How crazy is that? With your own home directory, which will be hopefully Eric, not live user. But again, look at this. There is some stuff available. This is the standard bash RC from ArcoLinux. We have a bit longer, a few more aliases, not much, but a few more. And the ZSHRC, not from us, ArcoLinux. Still a lot to learn, right? Oh, there's so much to learn. ZSHRC. Anyway, let's wait for a reboot that you see everything is working again. And then you can go experimenting again with Carli and say, okay, what do I need? What do I want? This time I'm going for GNOME, this time I'm going for i3. I have my own packages. I create my own packages. How should I create packages? Ctrl-Alt-G. Find out. ArcoLinux ISO.com. Package builds. How to change, compare, build. The standard is changed. The package build for this, the package build for that. Put it on GitHub, create a package. Lots of things. Everything about Calamares, which is the centerpiece, of course. How easy is this? Just clicking a few things and an entire system is on there. Oh, here was the link. I was looking for the Carli GitHub, so there you go. Click and you're there. And I'll put number 9 online, an extra article through. See down there, Simple Desktop Display Manager, SDDM, Lightium, SDDM, Simple Desktop Display Manager. Now I'm not going to wait for this countdown thing. You may have the patience, but not me. The right control pressed in and R, reset. Line 3 and let's boot up. And it would be astounding and amazing, but this is ArcoLinux, if there would be still updates. Ctrl-T, update doesn't work, right? The bash rc, sudo pacman -syyu. You read the 3 lines and that's that. Oh yeah, the difficult password, long one. And that's okay. That's all messages. We are hooked on a server and we better change to another server, but there is no ArcoLinux Uzbek as mirror here. So I need to sudo nano and an etc pacman.t mirror list. So EvoWise doesn't seem to be a good one. Okay, fine. Let's not use that one then. There is min. So it's all about servers. What do you use? Min. I installed that. Let's include that in the video as well. Welcome to Min. Start browsing or take a tour. Let's do a tour, right? Tabs, press, control, tabs. So Ctrl-T, I suppose. Yeah, gonna work. ArcoLinux and Carli or something. Let's see what happens. We're going to DuckDuckGo, which is okay, I guess, but does not lead us to ArcoLinux ISO, which is a bit pity. So this is what we have. Themes can change, private search, private blog. What about themes? Yeah, dark one, save and exit, and some things here, private tab, duplicate history file, and so on. All right, guys, min. Maybe you like it or not. Entirely up to you. Choose your Lego block. All right, I'm out. Cheers.